Morning. We just got up. It's now 6 a.m. We're just waiting for our porter to come collect us. We're packing up our camera gear, and then Scott goes binos, and then we head out for breakfast, and then onto a game drive. Our last game drive here at Okuti.
Final morning game drive.
Bit sad, but anyway, we're only flying out at like after 1 o'clock, so that's nice. It's not like we have to rush today.
Pack our bags properly.
Yeah, and we get lunch here at Okuti still, so that's cool. But anyway, we're going to go head out for breakfast now, and we'll chat to you guys on the road.
Okay, you set and ready?
Ready.
While viewing the buffalo on either side of the riverbank, a large male lion, probably the same one we spotted on day 5, was spotted just to the left of us in some brush. So we decided to find him and check out what he was up to.
I think we're gonna predict.
There's buffalo there.
Buffaloes are very close.
And he would take it down on his own.
Yeah, he can. He's a big guy.
Yeah, even with like quite a few of them around.
Male lions are strong. Very, very strong.
Yeah.
He's waiting the right time, the right moment. The buffaloes try to pass by.
Ancient falls.
They're walking towards us.
There he goes, there he goes. There he goes, there he goes.
Go, get him. How is this happening again? In the water. Oh man, that was a good attempt though. Wow. Oh, he might go. That was such a beautiful shot of him. The male lion gave up trying to hunt for his breakfast and moved off into some thicker bushes where we were unable to see him anymore. So we decided to move along and try our luck elsewhere. Today, we definitely owe all our sightings to the luck of having rangers who talk to each other via the radios. Without that valuable communication between them, we would have never got to experience the next two sightings. First up are the wild dogs that had recently made an impala kill, one which I'm personally glad we never witnessed, as wild dog kills can be rather brutal and savage. However, the various elements in the sighting was just fascinating to watch.
All the birds that just flew away.
Vultures won't fly down there. That is the hop back. Must be following the dogs. One of them were gonna do this. There's the vultures.
Oh wow. You told me to follow him.
Our next sighting was another luck of the draw with a fellow ranger who was also at the wild dog sighting with us. He got a radio call and told us to follow him. He had just heard about a leopard with a kill, so our ranger did what he does best and got us to another epic sighting.
Is your binoc? Look exactly through the bush.
Through the bush there. Very, very difficult.
The sighting was rather limited as we arrived, but luck was yet again on our side, and the female leopard decided to walk out into the open and give all his spectators a show. It was just magical to get to see her out in the open so clearly.
So this is it starting, hey? And
Yeah.
this will all be flooded here.
Yeah, very
That-
soon.
That is amazing.
We got to learn about the highways that are created specifically by the movement of hippos, elephants and termites. These animal highways then create channels much like the one you can see here. Then, as the floods slowly come in, the water is able to flow and travel into the Okavangodelta via these channels. As the years progress, more channels are created and the water has the potential to reach further and flood more areas each year. Without these channels, the Okavangodelta wouldn't be what it is today. Learning all about the development of the Okavangodelta has been so remarkable and shows how truly fascinating nature is.
Okay, back from the morning drive. And the one thing I look forward to is having a look at the trail cam. I tried something different this time. The last time when I got all the bush back and everything, I had it down low, kind of facing low also. And I think what I saw was an owl flying past. So I thought, let me change tactic this time. And I've got it quite high, facing high. The reason being there's a gum pole over there with you can see quite a lot of bird droppings on it. So I thought maybe I'd be lucky and something would land on there during the night. So let's see what we got.
to our next camp.
And one last look for elves in the trees.
Which, yes, just quick little look. Anyway, we just going. It's now 12:30, and then we're heading to the airport now, and then we're on our way to Kanana. Bye, ladies. Thank you for everything. Thank you so much. You made it amazing. Okay, thank you.
Here, this is our ablution, the shared ablution, or I should say unisex.
Oh wow.
Sure.
This is so nice.
Right, so we could just settle in, put our luggage somewhere, and then we're going to take a nice loop just to show you the area.
Okay. So we just got taken to our room now. It is, the views from here are amazing. It's a beautiful, beautiful camp. So let us show you the room, because we actually need to hurry to go to our evening
first
game
drive.
drive.
We're running a bit late.
But anyway, we want to show you the room before we mess it all up. So let's go.
Okay, so first of all, way different just
Yeah, it's
getting
like a
to the room.
forest.
Like walking through the forest, no wooden paths. Currently this is all elephant dung. Okay, so here we go.
Oh man, this view. Woo!
Yeah,
And it's just started coming into flood. That's why there's water. Normally this is dry. So the last 2 weeks the water's come through. So it will get fuller as the weeks go on. But we're so lucky to have some water here. So that's incredible.
this is easily the best balcony view so far.
Okay, and then welcome to our humble abode. Gorgeous. Very cool. All the amenities are very similar. Like the water station, the peaceful sleep air horn, all that stuff. A little bit different is the wardrobe. But otherwise, very,
Open
very
wardrobe.
comfortable.
Also with the exercise equipment.
Yep.
Full length mirror.
Lighting
Ceiling
decorations.
fan. And another fan.
Then that large bathroom. Beautiful though. See if we can put a light on. Oh man, it's so nice.
Huge
Very, very
shower.
comfortable.
Beautiful. Oh, your vanities, double vanity, and a panoramic view outside, which is actually quite cool.
Good job, beautiful. They've really like made you feel like you're in the elements, which is incredible. Anyway, that's a room tour. Onto our game drive. vehicle all to ourselves tonight.
But this year the water arrived a little bit late.
Yeah.
Yeah, but like since I've been here, the water been arriving like first week of May.
Okay.
But this year the water arrived like end of May. Yeah. And
Then when does the water retreat again?
Around August.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
so you don't have it for long, hey?
No, not that for long.
But
August will settle.
Okay.
And end of August will start going slowly.
Okay.
slowly.
Okay.
As if we didn't have our fill of watching predators eat their kills for the day, our first sighting on our evening game drive turns out to be yet another leopard, but this time enjoying his meal up in the tree. We just couldn't believe our luck. A warning though, the content of this leopard with his kill is rather graphic, so skip ahead if you wish to miss the gory details. We were in for a real treat for the last sighting of the day. We were about to come across a lone cheetah that we ended up following for quite some time. He seemed to have a bad eye, but that didn't seem to stop him from attempting to catch himself a meal. The sighting was the cherry on top to yet another magnificent day in Botswana. Thank you for watching day 7 of our Botswana honeymoon. It truly was one for the books. Let us know in the comments below what your favourite sighting of the day was. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. See you all in the next one.